Yes, welcome to my channel. This is Abjit. Today I am telling one interesting topic. Please watch up to end. Today's topic is how to make an CC camera without using 1 rupee and by using an old mobile in our phone. In our home. This is the mobile I am using from 6 years Samsung Galaxy Grand Neo. This mobile is now nobody is using this. Now I will change this phone as CC camera and this phone as seeing. Now how to make I will tell guys. Before that you should download an application in Google Play Store guys. Then only you will get that application is Alpha Die CCTV Home Security Camera IP Webcam guys. This you should download in Play Store and this app rating is 4.7 guys. And this is small app only guys, not much bigger. See guys, we can change this as CC camera. Now I will tell how to change this phone as CC camera. See guys, first you should download that Alpha camera application in both two phones. First you should keep old phone aside and first you should log in with Google account or email or continue with Apple. I am logging it with Google. After pressing that you should select one Gmail. After that you will get like this guys. Keep aside, open old phone and here scan to link to viewer device like that, it will be there guys. One thing I forgot it, when you open here viewer camera both will be there guys. You should select viewer and you should select this old phone as camera. Here scan to link to viewer device is there guys. You should press that and here or pair with QR code option will be there guys. Here you should press this and you should scan with this guys. See guys, I scanned it. Now it is pairing. It completed pairing guys. Now here the camera in this phone, how much charging it will show guys, 25%. Now we should watch CC camera footage live. See guys, this is the live. When I press it live, it is coming like this. This is the camera guys. See guys, what I am showing in this phone, it is coming here. See. See guys, now I am showing. See guys. See guys, I am recording with this phone. Here this is a recording phone. What I am recording here, it will come here guys. And in this so many features are there guys. If we come here, suppose I am keeping the camera here guys and I went outside. Now I opened my phone. See, I went outside, I kept here camera for security purpose and I opened Alpha camera and here when we open live symbol is there guys. When we click that, see guys, this is here it is recording and here it is showing. See guys, it is coming like this guys. In this so many features are there guys. Now I will explain each and every feature in this. First one is in this symbol is there guys, speaker symbol. When we press this symbol, if we kept CC camera somewhere in front of this CC camera, who will talk, their voice we will listen clearly guys. If we press this button, we can listen their voice. If we want to talk to their who standing in front of camera, we want to talk to that person means we should press this button and we should talk guys. And here video option is there guys. If you hold on this, it will record a video. Here some arrow button is there guys. When we click this, here we can adjust guys. If we want like this, otherwise it will come like this, it will come like this, it will come like this, like that. And we can switch from front camera to back camera guys. See guys, this is back camera no. If you click this button, it will change to front camera guys. See, I am coming, and if you press again, it will go to again back camera guys. If we cut camera like this, the surroundings are full dark. If we want to see what is happening there, we want to press torch guys. When we open torch here, see guys, the torch open. When we press this, the torch off. Like that guys. One thing I should tell guys. See guys, that is torch feature guys. If you press again this, the back camera will open guys. In this one important feature is there guys, that is emergency horn. If we kept here, someone came, we don't know, we should alert all members in our family. Then we should press this button guys, and we should click OK. Then it will come like this. This is emergency horn guys. These are the overall features in this camera. Now I will fix this camera to my entrance and I will show guys. Hold on. See guys, this is a camera and I am showing here, and see guys in this phone. Now I will show the road. See guys, I kept my phone here and this camera I am pointing to road. See guys. This is the uses of this camera guys. This is the overall performance of the speaker camera guys. You should use this phone as CC camera. Don't buy any CC camera outside. You can use this trick. You should simply download one app and register in that, and you should use like that guys. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and subscribe, and click notification bell to get latest updates. Thank you guys. Bye.